Hi, this is Matt Dimitroshin of Telemus Capital with the week in review for the week ending November 20th of 2020. It was a mixed week on Wall Street as cyclical stocks retained their leadership role for November following continued positive developments around a coronavirus vaccine. The S&P 500 finished lower by 0.8%, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average finishing slightly better, down 0.7%. The Nasdaq Composite eked out a gain up 0.2%, with small caps continuing to rally as the Russell 2000 index leapt forward by 2.4%. Energy stocks set the pace, gaining 5%. Month to date, the sector is up 23%, however, it remains down over 40% on the year. Industrials, materials, and financials followed suit. Semiconductor stocks were strong performers after Taiwan Semiconductor announced that it was expanding its manufacturing capacity to meet the demand of chip companies. Retail stocks drew support from better than expected earnings out of the likes of Walmart and Target. Technology stocks were a drag on performance along with more defensive-oriented sectors such as utilities, healthcare, and real estate. Notable movers on the week included Boeing, which gained 7% after the FAA approved the 737 MAX as a safe to fly again. Tesla shares surged 20% after it was announced it would be added to the S&P 500 on December 21st. Lastly, Walgreens Boots Alliance fell 12% following Amazon's launch into the online pharmacy business. Bonds gained as yields fell modestly. The 2-year yield declined by 2 basis points, while the 10-year yield fell 2.86%. In other markets, the dollar and gold were both essentially unchanged. Crude continued its climb up, gaining 5% to close just above $42 a barrel. Looking ahead at the coming week, we'll get PMI readings on manufacturing activity, consumer confidence readings, along with language out of the Fed minutes, which will provide some focal points to investors around the pace of the economy going forward. This concludes the week in review for the week ending November 20th of 2020. Thanks, stay safe, and enjoy your week.